you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do by clicking the subscribe button, bell icon to get notified. All you need to understand on this channel is giving information and educative videos here. I'm not your financial advisor. Always do your diligence, and the sky is your limit. Know that whatever you do, whatever opportunity you see here, know that you are suddenly is your personal decision. I am not involved. I am not going to be involved in any day, but I always give you information to notify you what the trend are in the market currently and how you can maximize this opportunity. So let's walk into, guys, updates. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whichever time you're watching this video. Cotp believers, deposit withdrawal tests were being carried out again today in individuals account of Cotp users. The CSSSC, the SSL certificate is disabled. They are working on it. Once the Cotp back office is resolved, it will appear again and all members will be able to successfully integrate their users trade and transaction. We are waiting the global announcement that may be through next message note. No one really knows the date of announced reconnection Cotp trading platform. So this is my information and this is what I have for you guys. Now, I always say it on this channel. Whatever you do, you are responsible. You will not put gun in your head before you invested. Everybody has lost money. And we have lost money. And as I'm telling you currently, life is all about risk. And if you don't risk, you can now get the crown. There's always a crown at the end of it. I know so many people made money from Cotp. So many people. People that got the formation handy at the initial time. I know a guy that actually did $40,000 from this platform and is in profit today as I speak currently. So that is one of the things that we see on the internet. Like I always say, anything you see online, it's not guaranteed, but you need to know that we have bills to pay. We have bills to pay. That is why we must do things to make money. You understand now? So the rule is this. Always know at the back of your mind, whatever you are doing, know that it's going to be risky, that anything happens. That's how I always do my video. I always tell you guys, put what you can afford to lose. There are funds that you don't need to pull from your savings, from your earned money, to make sure you put into these platforms. I must tell you, but risk is all what life is all about. We had losses, but we are still alive today. So what do? Do we keep stagnant? Will we stand in one place? We got to move. So guys, movement is what we do here. I always move to the next page of life. So guys, if you are ready to work with me, I have an opportunity I'll be doing again, similar to Cotp. But what does this one give? It gives you 3.2%. I'm going to show you guys now. I'm coming. Jiffy, give me a second. So like I said, this is World OTC. It's another platform that looks like Cotp. I got to know. And then you can do the same similar things you do on Cotp. But the difference is you get 3.2% daily and you can trade around a day with a maximum of 3.2% daily. Yeah, though your capital will just be 23 days, so you can get your capital back in 23 days. It may be risky, but it's one of the crypto arbitrage now quite nice running, and maximum profit per month is 157%. Maximum investment is $10. Maximum withdrawal amount is $5. withdraw instantly. Team earnings are 15% first level, second level 10%, third level 5%. The link to get registered on World OTC is going to be in the description of this video if you're interested. Do not even quit. You can never be poor if you do. So that is just the information I have now. This is a walkthrough to the back office of World OTC. I registered and I'm going to show you few things here now in this video. World over the counter, that is all about. So it has similarity to Cotp, but currently these guys that are running this platform are actually all those from Asia. So as you can see the rules here. So the rules are almost the same thing. USDT trading platform. You can see the chart currently here and what you can earn. $5,000, $1,200, and I'm going to do a challenge because I know for sure this is going to stay a while, maximally 1 year. Give it 60 days, so 120 days thereabout. Do your 90 days research and know that if you're going to go in for 90 days, you know that this is the minimum amount you can risk for 90 days. Now I'm going to work on a video on how you can use free script to actually be doing this on a daily basis. Then for 90 days with a minimum of small amount of money, 50, 100, 200, thereabout, whichever one you can afford, you know that this is all you go on with on a daily basis. Now this is the rundown for everything you need to know on this platform. You see your fund and your returns around 8 times a day, and this is your capital here. As you can see, your capital here. So you can actually do this capital here. I've done a video on this channel talking about how you can $1,000 investors, and you go home with $32 every day. In now that is about 20,000 naira. 20,000 naira. That's just it. So you see 32, that's $1,000. For 500 you go home with $16. For 100 you go with $3. For $90 you go 2.8. 80 you go home with 2.50 cents. 70 you go with 2.21. 60 1.99 cents, and $51.60. 40 you go home with $1.28. 30 you go home with 0.96 cents, and all of that. So that is just how you can earn here passively. So guys, I'm going to drop a link in the description video. Thank you for watching. This is the update I have for Cotp and World OTC to understand the differences in this platform. Here, after you trade, you can come again for the next 3 hours for you to trade. Why Cotp? It is every 2 hours you make your crypto money, and that is just all. Guys, thank you for watching. Watch out for my next video. If you're interested in getting on board on World OTC, the link is going to be in the description of this video. There's an amazing token that is coming out, that is out already, and it's on coin market cap. I'm going to show you guys this amazing token in a brief now, and this coin will go. As you can see, this amazing token, it is already on coin market cap, and I'm going to walk you guys through on a video, on complete video, on how you can actually make money from this taking, from the stake of this coin. I'm going to walk you guys through the video, and the likes of this coin, of this token is amazing. The token is amazing, and I'm going to talk about the token brief about the token brief. Now the token is just new. It's around about 100 USD, and I will inform you guys it's a new platform, You can actually do about $100 and it's going to run for 7 years. There are great people behind this token. I must say, great people are behind this token. So you are coming on board, I guarantee you that every week you are about 3% on a weekly basis. 3% on a weekly basis from this token. I tell you. So it's something that you can actually stake and stake and make a whole hell of money. So this is the token that I'll be talking about in my next video. You see, currently it's about 100 USD and 24 hours. This is it, and you can stake it, this token, on your wallet. Now look at the exchange that you can really buy this token. It's just one exchange and the volume is crazy. So my next video I'll be talking about this token, how you can maximize every detail. Is it real? Is it scam? Currently the token is sitting on the coin market cap with a number on the coin market cap, currently on the coin market cap. Now you can buy this token now and hold. I tell you, give it a time, because those that are behind this token are massive guys. They have real-time business and they have programs in the past that has made waves. One of them actually was part of this amazing token here, Ripple. One of the guys behind that token I'm going to talk about in my next video is behind this amazing platform. Then there's another one, another token that has done very well, that one of them are in now. I'm going to unveil it to you guys. Thank you for watching guys. I appreciate your time and see you in the next video. Bye.